everyone, my name is Darrell Perni from STEM 11 Persistence. I'm here to show you how to evaluate types of functions of evaluating functions using linear function. So what is linear function? Linear function is a function that's straight line on the coordinate plane. Here is an example of a linear function. F of x is equals to 9x plus 5 when x is positive 2. Now let's evaluate using this given. F of x is equals to 9x plus 5 when x is positive 2. Now, instead of writing fx is equals to 9x plus 5, we're gonna change or replace the x to its given value, which is positive 2. F of quantity 2 is equals to 9 multiplied by 2 plus 5. 9 multiplied by 2 is equals to 18, so you must copy the positive 5 to make 18 plus 5. So 18 plus 5 is equals to 23. Therefore, the final answer of this linear equation, f of x is equals to 9x plus 2 is equals to 23. Now it's your turn to solve this linear equation. Hope you've learned how to solve evaluating function using linear function. Goodbye!